Hi, Emily. I've been having a lot of trouble remembering everything I read. Do you have any tips or techniques that could help me improve my memory?
Absolutely, Tom. Memory can be a tricky thing, but there are definitely strategies you can use to improve it. One effective method is called active reading. Have you heard of it?
No, I haven't. What exactly is active reading?
Active reading involves engaging with the text rather than just passively reading it. It helps you focus and remember information better. One way to do this is by taking notes while you read. It could be a summary or key points from each section.
That sounds useful. Should I write down everything I read?
Not necessarily. Instead, try to identify the main ideas, supporting details, and any important concepts. This way, you'll have a concise summary that you can review later. It helps reinforce what you've learned.
I see. So, what should I do with the notes after I've taken them?
After taking notes, it's essential to review them regularly. Revisiting your notes shortly after reading can help solidify the information in your memory. You can also use different techniques like flashcards or mind maps to help you organize and recall the information more effectively.
That makes sense. What about the books I've read in the past? How can I remember those?
When it comes to books you've read in the past, a helpful technique is to create mental associations. Try to connect what you've read to something you already know or find relevant in your life. This connection can make it easier to recall information later.
So, I should try to relate the new information to my personal experiences.
Absolutely. Relating new information to your experiences or creating vivid mental images can significantly improve your memory retention. Our brains tend to remember information better when it has meaning or emotional connections.
Got it. Any other tips you can share?
Another effective method is to teach what you've learned to someone else. By explaining the concepts or ideas to someone, you reinforce your understanding and memory of the material. It's like becoming a teacher yourself.
That sounds interesting. I could teach my little brother or a friend what I've learned.
Yes, exactly. Teaching others not only helps you remember the information, but also benefits the person you're teaching. Additionally, discussing what you've read with others can provide different perspectives and deepen your understanding.
That sounds like a great idea. I'll definitely give it a try. Thanks for all these valuable tips, Emily.
You're welcome, Tom. Remember, improving your memory takes time and practice. Be patient with yourself and stay consistent with these techniques. I'm sure you'll see progress in no time.
I will, Emily. Thanks again for your help. I'm excited to start implementing these strategies.
You're welcome, Tom. Good luck and happy reading. Let me know if you have any more questions along the way.
I will. Thanks, Emily.
You're welcome, Tom. Remember, improving your memory is a process that requires dedication and persistence. If you put in the effort, you'll definitely see results. So let's dive deeper into the topic of how to remember everything you read.
Absolutely, Emily. I'm ready to learn more.
Great. Another technique you can try is called the SQ3R method. It stands for Survey, Question, Read, Recite, and Review. This method helps you actively engage with the text and reinforce your memory.
Interesting. How does it work?
First, you survey the text by quickly skimming through the chapters, headings, and subheadings. This gives you an overview of the content. Next, You generate questions based on what you want to learn or understand from the reading. These questions help guide your reading and keep you focused.
So it's like setting a purpose for reading?
Exactly, Tom. By setting a purpose and generating questions, you're actively seeking answers as you read, which enhances your comprehension and memory. After generating questions, you read the material, paying close attention to the answers you find.
And what about reciting and reviewing?
Reciting involves summarizing or explaining what you've read out loud or in writing. This step helps reinforce the information in your memory and tests your understanding. Finally, you review the material regularly to ensure that the information stays fresh in your mind.
That sounds like a comprehensive method. I'll definitely give it a try. It seems like it would work well for textbooks or nonfiction books. But what about novels or stories?
Good question. Tom, for novels or stories, you can focus on creating visual images in your mind as you read. Imagine the characters, the setting, and the events unfolding like a movie. Visualization can make the story more memorable and enjoyable.
That's a great suggestion, Emily. I never thought about using visualization for fiction. I'll give it a shot.
I'm glad you find it helpful, Tom. Another tip for remembering what you read is to create a reading routine. Consistency is key when it comes to memory improvement. Set aside dedicated time each day for reading and make it a habit.
That makes sense. I'll try to allocate some time every day for reading and stick to it.
That's the spirit, Tom. Remember, it's not about how much you read, but how well you engage with the material and retain the information.
Absolutely. Quality over quantity.
Precisely. And don't forget to take breaks while reading. Our brains need time to process and store information. So take short breaks every 25 to 30 minutes to let your mind relax and absorb what you've read.
I tend to get engrossed in reading and forget about taking breaks. Thanks for the reminder, Emily.
You're welcome, Tom. It's easy to get lost in a good book, but breaks are essential for memory consolidation. Lastly, make sure you're in a conducive environment for reading. Minimize distractions, find a comfortable spot, and create a peaceful atmosphere that allows you to focus.
I'll keep that in mind, Emily. A quiet and distraction-free environment would definitely help me concentrate better.
I'm glad you found these tips helpful, Tom. Remember, improving your memory takes time and practice. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stay consistent, be patient, and keep implementing these strategies. With time, you'll notice a significant improvement in your ability to remember what you read.
Thanks for the encouragement, Emily. I'm excited to put these techniques into practice and see how they work for me.
You're welcome, Tom. I'm confident that these strategies will help you on your journey to better memory retention. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any further questions or need additional guidance.
I appreciate your support, Emily. I'll definitely reach out if I need any more help. Thanks again for all your valuable advice.
You're very welcome, Tom. I'm here to help. Good luck with your reading and memory improvement endeavors.
Thank you, Emily. I'll keep you updated on my progress. Have a great day.
You too, Tom. Happy reading and take care.